So somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Why?
Why?
An owl?
An owl. Someone. They were saying that you sound like an owl.
Owl. I don't sound like an owl.
An owl.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Someone said you sound like
You
an
sound
owl.
like an owl.
Who is this someone? Are you recording?
Who?
You
No,
sound
okay, I can.
He said who?
Hey, Danny.
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Who said? Oh my god.
Daddy, someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Wait, what?
Yeah, they were saying that you sounded like an owl.
What do you mean?
Who? Somebody was saying that you sounded like an owl. They were just saying that you sound like an owl.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
What does that mean?
Say who?
Oh, who?
An owl.
Someone is saying that you sound like an owl.
Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
An owl? Say that one more time.
You sound like an owl.
Really?
Yeah.
Who said that?
Who?
Ah, that's a good one.
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
A what?
An owl.
What do you mean I said an owl?
That they said that you sound like an owl.
Oh. I'm not falling for it.
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Me?
Yeah. Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
I do?
Yeah. Somebody was saying that.
Which person in there said that?
Which, not who. Hey, while you were gone, they were saying that you sounded like an owl.
Who did?
Who?
Who did? That's a joke.
An owl. Who?
Yeah, it's so funny. I don't have patience for this problem.
Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
What's her name?
Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Who was saying that?
I sound like an owl. Yeah. Reach out to the mediation agency and request that they someone in exchange of the spouses.
No, you know, it's an attempt. It's completely. I'm glad.
So somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Sound like an owl?
Like an owl. Yeah.
I just want to make sure you get fired.
I'm not falling for this.
How many people did you get with that?
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Did I sound like an owl?
That you sound like an owl.
Why?
Just why?
They're just saying you sound like an owl.
I don't say who, I just say huh. So I guess like they might take that. Why? Who said that? Was it Emily or was it Daniel?
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Owl?
An owl.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you think it's because Ricardo was saying that I'm being whispering?
No.
Or what?
Just so you can say it.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, you didn't get me.
Yeah, you're good. Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl. Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Wow.
Wow.
What? What is it?
So somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know what that means.
Just somebody was saying that you sounded like an owl.
Why?
I just wanted to let you know.
It got worse.
I got a question.
What's up?
Somebody was saying that you sound like an owl.
Huh?
Somebody said that you sound like an owl.
Do it in the way? I know what you're trying to do here.
Uh-huh.
I was supposed to say who and then like.
What do you mean?
Someone out there was saying that you sound like an owl.
I sound like an owl.
Yeah.
Like owl is the animal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just okay. Someone was saying that you sound like an owl. Okay. Saying that you sound like an owl.
I sound like what? Owl?
Couldn't give you the same dude.
Someone was saying that you sound like an owl.
Like an owl.
Owl?
You're not sneaky.
Someone is saying that you sound like an owl.
Which one?
It was none of them. It's just to get you to say who.
Oh.
Oh my god, I was like,